Why are people still paying huge subscription fees for upscaling software? Or worse, uploading their private photos to random online websites just to fix a few blurry images? It honestly doesn't make sense anymore, because today I'm going to show you a tool that is completely free, it's open source, and it's unlimited. Upscail. And with its latest update, it doesn't just match the paid tools. In many ways, it beats them. You are watching 404 Found. Let's clean up some pixels. I know what you are thinking. If it's free, it must be bad, right? Well, let's look at the evidence. Here is a low-resolution screenshot from One Piece. It's grainy, it's blocky, and here is the Upscail result. It didn't just try to sharpen the blur, it actually reconstructed the details. Look at the lines on Zoro's face. It's crisp, sharp, and 4K ready. But what about real photos? I mean, AI usually struggles with skin, right? Look at this. The pores, the eyelashes, the lighting. It retained the natural texture while boosting the resolution by 400%. So how exactly did I transform those images? Look, you don't need to be a tech wizard. The new interface guides you through a simple 4-step process. Step 1, you simply click Select Image, or just drag and drop your photo right into the center. Step 2, you select the AI model. This is the brain behind the operation. Step 3, choose where you want to save the file. And step 4, hit the big purple Upscale button. That's the basic workflow. If you want the best results, you need to make the right choice in step 2. For anime, use digital art. For real photos, go with high fidelity or upscale standard. Need it bigger? Check double upscale to go up to 16 times the size. And listen, if you have a whole folder of images, please don't do them one by one. Just flip the batch upscale switch at the top left, select your folder, and let it do the work for you. Okay, here is the most important part, the pro features. Upscale allows you to add custom AI brains, specifically tuned for things like cleaning up compression artifacts or restoring video frames. Here is exactly how you install them. Go to Settings, scroll down to Add Custom Models. Click the link that says Custom Models Repository. This page lists powerful models like NMKDCX for JPEGs or anime video models. But wait, do not download them one by one. Click the Download this repository button. Once it's downloaded, extract the zip file. You will see a folder named Models inside. Now, go back to Upscale, click Select Folder. Navigate to the folder you just extracted and select the Models folder inside it. That's it. Now, when you go back to the main screen, you have access to a massive list of specialized models right at the bottom. Seriously, stop paying expensive fees for things your computer can do for free. Upscale runs locally, keeps your photos private, and gives you professional results. I've put the links in the description. If this video saved you some money, hit that like button. You've been watching 404 Found. See you in the next one.